Hey guys, it's me, Rodney Marquez, and today's video is going to be how to catch a bluegill on live worms. I brought my good friend Arthur.
Hey.
And a good friend Crystal.
Hi.
It's going to be her first time catching a fish, any kind of fish. So I brought some mini jigs, some worms. Arthur, what did you bring?
I just brought my fishing pole.
What kind of fishing pole did you bring?
You know, the normal stuff. The bait caster.
Ooh, nice. Spinning reel, a bait caster. Didn't you bring like a third fishing pole?
Oh yeah, we did.
What did you bring?
It's in the backpack.
It's in the backpack. Yeah.
We're gonna go drone fishing.
We're gonna go drone fishing. Hopefully we can catch some bluegill in today's episode, and most importantly, have her catch her first fish.
Plenty of things going on today.
Heck yeah. Stay tuned. So we're gonna have ladies first when catching a fish. We don't want to scare all the fish before we catch them with me and Arthur. So I went to Walmart last night, got 15 to 18 small night crawlers. I'm gonna use a traditional spinning reel, fly lining live night crawlers. And I'm just gonna put it on a hook. And all you have to do is just cast it in that little pocket over there in front of you, and then allow that worm to just like sit down. Ooh, good cast, Crystal. All right. Oh, you see him? You see him? Ooh, all the bluegills. Wait until they like swallow the hook. There you go. Yes! Your first fish ever. Nice. You want a picture of your first fish?
Yeah.
Dude, that was first cast, first fish. That's cool.
How slimy.
Let's take a picture. They are super hungry. There's like maybe like 10 or so bluegill right there just waiting. Cool, buddy. Thanks for letting Crystal catch you. See ya. Woo. Nice. Good job. Arthur,
whoa.
You're next.
Okay, it's my turn.
All right, let's go.
Let's do this.
Oh. I think you can catch it. They like that free fall.
Ooh, that big one.
Oh, Arthur. Oh. Second attempt.
Take two.
Take two.
5 minutes later.
There we go. Oh, the bass wants to eat it.
You.
Oh.
Arthur! You're using all the worms!
Make sure you comment on how to hook a worm.
What?
Because Rodney obviously...
It's about how to hook set a fish.
You want me to show you how to do it?
Ooh!
Oh, we got a challenge.
Alright, got our third worm. Third time's a charm.
Okay,
Our
so
third...
we made sure Rodney put in this worm properly. It's not gonna be my fault if I lose this.
5 minutes later.
Oh,
Arthur! Dude! Arthur!
What am I doing
That's
wrong?
three! That's three, dude. There's like 10 bluegill down there, and Arthur can't catch one.
It's not my day.
Yeah, I think
It's
you
a
need...
girl's kind of day.
I think you need to catch one on a drone. Hey Arthur! Oh, look! She caught another one! She got some lady skills here going. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bluegill.
I don't need to hold your fish.
So you
I
know
will
what
hold
it
my own fish
feels like to
on
be
this
a
drop
winner.
shot.
What do you have?
Well, since I can't catch anything on your $20 rod, we're gonna go for a more drastic approach.
measures? How much is this fishing rod?
About $1,000.
Jeez. Alright, so what we did here, we attached about 4-pound fluorocarbon, and then we're just putting a nice little mosquito hook on it, and of course we're gonna put the night crawler on this guy, and then Arthur, the pilot, is gonna go ahead and fly over this little creek here and see if we can catch some bluegill.
I'll show you guys.
Arthur's
show you
first fish
guys.
of today, hopefully.
You check marked. I agree.
I agree to catch a fish. Enter. Ooh, it is ready. Good, I am super stoked.
So I haven't done this in a while, so bear with me. It might, you know,
You might,
fly down.
your $1,000 drone may go in there. Oh, there's one coming. There's one coming. Yeah, we did it!
Oh, took $1,000 to get there.
Second go.
Here we go.
Letting go. Woo! Jeez. Can you catch one all the way over there?
You want to get one out there?
Oh my god. Probably bring it up. Just guessing.
Bring it up.
Yeah. What the heck? Good job, Arthur.
Yay!
You didn't lose your drone.
We did it!
That was so awesome.
Wow, I can't believe it. 2 in a row?
Crystal, good job. Arthur?
On the drone.
On the
Did it for
drone.
you guys.